Question number 35 is an exercise in concision or being concise, which of course is a category of rhetoric or argument building. But more pragmatically is a beautiful way to introduce or transition a detail of this. It introduces specific or practical evidence. Just saying moreover or but more would introduce specific evidence, and pragmatically would introduce practical evidence. That's what pragmatic means. And it does it in 3 words, and you don't need anything else. But more pragmatically, this discipline encourages students to analyze complex material. There is no motivation whatsoever to introduce the word speaking in a way, or this. There's no good way to do it because it's just too wordy. You don't need to do it. So the answer is no change. There's nothing wrong with it, and introducing speaking in a more way is actually wrong. It's just too wordy. It's not being concise. This marks the 4th question in a row that is no change, and it got me really nervous. Am I really going to choose A again? I really had to look at it, and this time I was pretty confident that, yeah, B, C, and D are all just not necessary. You don't need speaking in a way in this to do it. So, yeah, it is the 4th no change in a row. And in the previous video for question number 34, I said what I'm about to say again, and that is that no change is statistically comes up about 25% of the time. And if you're choosing it more often than that, then it might signal that you are missing stuff. So I do know some people who always double check their no change questions if they have time at the end. They put it on their double check list. And so you can never be 100% sure that no change is the answer, because it's designed to trap people who can't find what's wrong with stuff. That being said, it is 25% of the time it shows up as the answer, and so, but just coming up the 4th time in a row, like the answer is A, was making me a little nervous. However, it is the correct answer for this particular question.